Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear class. This is Vilak here, and welcome to lecture about software quality assurance. The course code for this course is 4122, and this lecture is about software testing process. जो हमारी कंटिन्यूटी थी सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग की, उस कंटिन्यूटी में ये थर्ड स्टेज पे लेक्चर है. In this lecture, the agenda is manual and automated testing. We will talk about different strategies of testing as manual and automated testing. Later on, we will talk about the testing process, what are the different steps and stages, or you may say the phases of the standardized phases of testing process. Then we talk about different documentation which are essential part of the testing procedure, and finally we will discuss about agile testing and agile testing process. तो ये तो हो गया हमारा एजेंडा अबाउट today's lecture. So before starting and jumping to the next slide about the manual testing, I would like to say some words about the software testing process. As software products are growing in the complexity, the cost, and the time and the quality is compared relatively more complex way. In more complex way, organizations face a big challenge to test their software adequately, but within a minimal schedule and a minimal cost as well. In order to accomplish this, organizations are turning to automated testing to manage test activities like development and execution of test scripts and verify test requirements. Automation of testing has the benefit of being relatively cheap and effective, but as quality of the product improves, the additional cost for finding further bugs becomes more expensive. In contrast, manual testing is also far more responsive and flexible than automated testing, but is prone to testers' errors through fatigue. Automated tools usually support automated execution of black box tests, which we already have discussed in our last lecture about the black box, white box, and gray box test and their classifications. An automated test tool reads a test script, plays the test script, and compares the actual results to the original or expected responses. Automated tests enable repeatability and consistency of of test execution as well as the productivity. Some tools suites also provide the ability to distribute or to stimulate the execution of tests over multiple processes. तो पहले जो है दैट इज़ अबाउट मैनुअल टेस्टिंग, वहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो ये मेरी थोड़ी सी टॉक थी अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ the automated tests as compared to the manual tests. As the name of the manual test suggests, the manual testing is carried out manually by the real people. Testers perform manual testing by following the test steps in the test case. Similarly, they perform this test by providing the inputs on the application and finally validating the test results. Because humans are directly involved in this process, there could be a chance of error and It can be time consuming. However, manual testing becomes imperative for scenarios where automation testing is not